Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling battlefield voice signals in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default, when you use the in-game quick chat, it highlights it in the map for your teammates, but your character doesn't speak the message out loud. Here is how to change that. From the main dashboard of the app, tap the Settings button from the top right. Under the basic settings here, you first need to change your graphics settings to medium or higher. It needs to be at least medium for the next setting we need to appear. Now tap Sound from the left sidebar. The option called Battlefield Voice Signal is here. Turn that on. From now on, your character will speak the battlefield signals that you make. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.